Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up subscription products on Shopify so your customers can buy the same product again and again on a schedule. This is useful if you sell things like coffee, snacks, skincare, pet food, vitamins, or anything people need to buy more than once. Instead of your customer coming back every time to place a new order, they can choose a plan like every week, every month, or every few months. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin. First, go to your Shopify admin and log into your store. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the left side menu. This is where you will see the main parts of your store, like orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and apps. Before you create a subscription product, make sure the product already exists in your store. If the product is not created yet, go to Products, then click Add Product. Add the product name, description, images, price, stock, and shipping details. Once everything looks good, click Save. If the product is already created, you can move to the next step. Step 2. Install the Shopify Subscriptions app. Now you need to add a subscription app to your store. The easiest way is to use the Shopify Subscriptions app. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps. Then search for Shopify Subscriptions. Open the app page and install it on your store. After it is installed, you should be able to open it from your Apps section. This is where you can create the subscription plan that customers will see on your product page. Take your time on this step. Do not rush through it. The app is what lets your store offer repeat orders, so make sure it is installed correctly before moving forward. Step 3. Create a subscription plan. Next, open the Shopify Subscriptions app. Inside the app, look for the option to create a new subscription plan. Click Create Plan or a similar button. Now give your plan a simple name. For example, you can call it Monthly Delivery, Weekly Delivery, or Subscribe and Save. After that, choose how often the customer should receive the product. You can set it to every week, every month, every 2 months, or any schedule that makes sense for your product. For example, if you sell coffee, a monthly plan may work well. If you sell snacks, a weekly plan may work better. If you sell skincare, every 2 months may make more sense. Keep the plans simple. Do not create too many choices at first because too many options can confuse the customer. Start with 1 or 2 clear choices. Step 4. Add the subscription plan to your product. Now you need to connect the subscription plan to the product. Go back to your Shopify admin. On the left side menu, click Products. Find the product you want to sell as a subscription and open it. Scroll through the product page until you find the subscription or purchase option area. This is where you can choose the subscription plan you created. Select the plan and add it to the product. You may also see an option that asks if you want to sell this product only as a subscription or sell it as both a normal one-time purchase and a subscription. If you want customers to choose, leave both options available. This means they can either buy the product one time or subscribe to get it again later. If you only want to customers buy it as a subscription, choose the subscription-only option. For most stores, I recommend starting with both options. This gives your customer more freedom, and it can help you see what they prefer. And that is how you set up subscription products on Shopify. Now your customers can choose a product, subscribe to it, and receive it again on a schedule. Just make sure you test the product page, check the emails, and keep your subscription rules clear. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.